Losing money. Unnoticed, ever check your bank account and think, where did all my money go? You're not making big splurges, yet your balance is low. Money might be leaking out in small hidden ways, and your bank definitely notices and profits. But we're not talking about giving up your little joys like your morning coffee. Instead, let's plug the leaks that give you nothing in return. By the end, you'll know how to stop these sneaky expenses and keep more cash in your pocket. If these tips help, please like this video and subscribe for more simple finance guides. 1. Forgotten subscriptions and memberships. Subscriptions are a big silent money drainer. It's so easy to sign up for streaming services, apps, or gym memberships, and then forget about them on autopay. One survey found the average adult wastes about $205 per year on unused subscriptions. Do you really need multiple streaming platforms you barely watch? How to plug it. Do a quick audit of your subscriptions. Check your statements for recurring charges and cancel anything you don't truly use. You can also save by sharing plans with family or using a service only during the months you actually need it. Plugging this leak can save a surprising amount without sacrificing things you enjoy. 2. Bank fees, maintenance, ATM, and overdrafts. Bank fees are another leak that gives you nothing in return. Monthly account fees, ATM charges, and overdraft penalties might sneak out of your account quietly, but they add up quickly. For example, a checking account might charge $10 to $12 per month, approximately $120 plus a year. An out-of-network ATM could cost around $4 in fees, and a single overdraft can hit you with a $30 fee. How to plug it. Choose a bank or credit union with free checking, no monthly fees. Avoid ATM fees by using your bank's ATMs or getting cash back at stores, and opt out of overdraft protection. Instead, use banking app alerts or keep a cushion in your account to prevent overdrawing. Every fee you dodge is money you keep for yourself, not your bank. 3. Food delivery and convenience spending. Food delivery apps are a convenient lifesaver on a busy day, but they hide a serious money leak. Those service fees, delivery charges, and tips turn a $15 takeout into a $25 expense fast. In fact, delivery orders can cost about 20% more than eating in or picking up your meal. Even other convenience splurges, like paying extra for rush shipping, can quietly siphon away cash over time. How to plug it. Enjoy delivery occasionally, but don't make it an everyday habit. Cooking at home or picking up your order can save you $10 or more each time. If you do order, try to group orders to save on fees or meet free shipping minimums when shopping online. This way, you still get convenience without bleeding money on every order. 4. Invisible interest on debt. Carrying credit card debt can be another invisible leak. Unlike a purchase, interest charges quietly drain your money without you even noticing. With credit card APRs around 20% nowadays, a balance of $1,000 can cost you about $200 in interest in a year. Money spent with nothing to show for it. How to plug it. Work on paying down high-interest debt as fast as you can. Ideally, pay your credit card in full each month to avoid interest completely. If that's not possible, pay more than the minimum so you chip away at the balance faster. The sooner you reduce or eliminate that debt, the sooner you stop throwing money away on interest. 5. Late fees and forgotten bills. Missed payments can cost you in late fees. Truly money for nothing. If you forget to pay a bill, you might get hit with a fee. Credit cards can charge $28 for the first late payment and $39 for later ones. Many other services, utilities, phone plans, etc., also slap on late fees if you pay past the due date. It's an easy leak to overlook because the fee might be buried in your next bill. How to plug it. Never miss a due date. Set up autopay for at least the minimum due, or use calendar reminders, alerts a few days before. If you do mess up occasionally, call the company. 84% of people who ask get late fees waived. But your best bet is not needing to make that call. Staying organized with your bills means you won't be paying extra for nothing. Thought we were done? There are 2 more leaks your bank hopes you keep ignoring. 6. Roundup charges and tiny impulse buys. $1.99 coffee here, a $4 app there. These small daily indulgences feel harmless, But over 30 days? That's easily $100 or more. They sneak past our radar because they seem insignificant. How to plug it? Set a micro budget for daily extras. Try tracking every under $5 purchase for a week. You'll be shocked. Swap habits, bring your own coffee twice a week, or delete your App Store payment method to add friction. 7. Auto renewals you forgot about. Unlike regular subscriptions, auto renewals for annual software, credit protection, or domain names hit hard and silently. One day your card is charged $89 for something you haven't used in a year. How to plug it? Once a month, search your inbox for the word renewal and review future auto payments. Set reminders to cancel 1 week before. If you just got charged, many services give partial refunds if you cancel early. Conclusion: take control of your money. Money leaks may be small, but over time they can put a serious dent in your finances. The great news is that you have the power to fix them by plugging these leaks, canceling unused subscriptions, avoiding pointless fees, cutting back on pricey conveniences, and staying on top of debt and bills. You free up money for the things that truly matter to you. This isn't about depriving yourself. It's about stopping waste so your money works for you, not for the bank. Even small changes add up to a big difference. You got this. If you learned something today, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy finance tips. Have your own money leak story or question? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take charge of your money.